In 1913, Nurse May Smith and a group of other volunteer nurses and doctors founded the Dallas Baby Camp. It was a place focused solely on children's health. Conditions were tough. May Smith was tougher. During those first years, Nurse Smith wrote, "Someday Dallas Baby Camp will be a great hospital. Watch us grow." We thought we should write her back and let her know how things are going.
Dear Nurse Smith, it's been 100 years since you started taking care of all those babies. So we thought we'd let you know how things are going.
Our name is Children's Medical Center now.
I'm sure you'd like that.
Since children's comes first.
Nurse Smith, we're doing what you said to do.
We've grown, and we've become one of the best children's hospitals in the country.
North Texas has grown a lot too since you were here.
And we've kept up.
Now kids and their families come here from all over the world.
Everywhere, from Chile,
The Netherlands,
Mexico,
Guatemala, Russia,
Dallas.
Paris, the one in Texas.
But maybe the other one too.
Nurse Smith, if you came by to see us,
you'd see amazing things.
Doctors who can replace sick hearts with healthy ones.
Helicopters that rush hurt kids to the hospital.
MRIs made just for kids.
I'll explain what helicopters and MRIs are later since you don't know about them.
We learned from you, Nurse Smith. Now we are the pediatric teaching hospital for one of the best medical schools in the country.
So lots of doctors and nurses come here to learn about kids.
And there's a train downstairs.
Did they have trains when you were here, Nurse Smith?
You wouldn't believe all the things we can do now.
Airway reconstruction,
liver transplants,
inpatient cardiology.
We're the first freestanding children's hospital in the Southwest, verified as a Level 1 trauma center.
And did we mention the train?
We're doing research here that will change the next 100 years.
Like getting rid of cancer.
Making it easier for me to breathe.
And preventing kids from getting diabetes.
They have oxygen masks that smell like bubble gum.
We don't just treat babies anymore, but all kids.
We have robots that do surgery.
with the help of great surgeons, of course.
And we help families heal too.
We also figured out how to treat kids outside the hospital, where they live.
And Nurse Smith, there are lots of people
that think that your idea was great and support Children's Medical Center. I'm one of those people.
And me.
And so am I.
Nurse Smith, you are one smart lady.
And now we attract the smartest nurses and doctors from all over.
You knew in 1913 that a children's hospital could make a big difference.
And now we have 100 years of proof.
Proof. Proof. I'm proof.
So am I.
Thank you, Nurse Smith.
Thank you, Nurse Smith.
Thank you, Nurse Smith.
Gracias por todo, Nurse Smith.
We're still fighting the good fight.
And we're not stopping.
We're gonna keep growing.
Keep improving.
And keep making life better for children.
And their families.
Thank you, Nurse Smith. Love.
All your friends from 100 years down the road.
P.S. Nurse Smith, in all those old pictures, I noticed you never smiled, but I bet you are now.